Hello everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate to you a science experiment. It is the volcano eruption. Look at this volcano. Isn't it awesome? I have some baking soda in a bottle. First I'm going to add some dish liquid. And then add a few drops of food coloring because lava is red. And then I'm going to add some water. Now, close the bottle and shake everything up. Then, I'm going to pour the mixture into the volcano. Lastly, I'm going to add the vinegar. Look at the volcano eruption. Wow, it looks awesome. Baking soda and vinegar creates a chemical reaction gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same gas used in sodas. In the bottle, there is not enough space, so the gas comes out of the opening very quickly and causes the eruption. In conclusion, remember, baking soda and vinegar creates a chemical reaction gas called carbon dioxide. Bye-bye.